Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SESN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, I think early last week, but regardless, want to get things updated. As far as the overall chart is concerned right now, this thing has basically fallen apart completely. What do I mean by falling apart? Well, when you look at where the price movement started, down around this area, I mean, you got to give credit where credit's due. When price movements, get boxes that are that big. So, I mean, there was the lows and then there was the high. That's a good sign. But now what's happened and why I say that the chart is essentially falling apart is let's look at where the box is at now. So that red box represents from the high to where it currently sits. And really all that you have left is this little area down here. So sure, has the price technically gone all the way back to where it's been? No, so that's why I'm not going to say that the chart is totally epically collapsed, but it's fallen apart enough where I think we can all agree it's pretty close to literally going right back to where it started. But to give credit where credit's due, and more so the near term, and this is what brings about the very important level of support, and that level of support is right here at the dollar mark. Several times today, the price got right down around $1, and to give full credit where credit's due, the price did do a good job of holding strong, but $1 is very important for that reason that I wanted to illustrate previously. If the price can hold above $1, then that's risking that red box, pretty much essentially going right back to where it was, maybe even getting bigger than the other box. And if that occurs, then that's definitely not a good sign. But like I said, the price does still have an opportunity to not allow that to happen, and it's been holding strong with $1. So we'll see if the price can continue to maintain above that dollar mark or not. As far as levels of resistance, have a little miniature one here at that pink line there, the 200 period moving average. That's valued at $1.05. But in my opinion right now, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about trying to stabilize and making sure that the price ultimately doesn't fall down below that dollar mark. So we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.